AMBQ stock analysis and price prediction for Friday is AMBQ micro stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, so I have seen what's working for me and what's not. With AMBQ, this is just, yeah, this is tough. It's not tough like in a bad way, just beautiful that I called it out beforehand. You cannot fake this stuff up. This was pre-market, was already up at like $41. Like this is made at 5:49 a.m. Eastern time, and so all I wanted to see was just like a double break to the new highs at about $50. And guess what happened? This is where we are now. Did deliver. That was not phenomenal. The only thing that I would care is if I see a double break to take things further higher. So I saw the first one here. If the second one breaks above 44.50, then this is also something that I'll look to buy. Overall, like immediately buying or randomly buying, given it's not going to be happening. So that's AMBQ, just like that. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.